checking out the view. Hi, I'm Josh. I typically go to yard sales, thrift stores, clearing out storage units, things like that to get inventory, and this past Saturday I said no. I don't need to go to any yard sales. But it still turned into a $1,500 inventory day. Let me tell you the story. So my wife and I had just finished up a incredible storage unit. If you haven't seen that video, the link will be down in the description. So we said with all that inventory, we don't really need to head to any yard sales. So that Friday night, I didn't look any up. I didn't try to go figure out where to go. The only thing I was gonna do was take the last truckload of stuff, the complete junk out of that storage unit, to the dump that morning. So I grabbed my morning coffee and set out for the dump. And yes, typically a Saturday morning would consist of scouring our area for some good yard sales, but we had enough inventory, so I just headed for the dump. So upon arriving at the dump, I get a text message. Yeah, this one, talking about a bunch of blow molds for sale for, yes, only $20. So I dumped all the trash out, went to the bank, grabbed the little cash, and met him there. Had to do it quickly because it was our boy's first soccer game. And if you were wondering, that's not trash. Those are donations. This isn't the same day, silly. Just needed it for the aesthetic. So, phew, I made it in time to the yard sale, bought all those blow molds, plus a few extra that they had. Spent a total of $26. But then we had to get to the soccer game. I was a good dad and a bad dad. I didn't record any of the soccer game because I was being a good dad and enjoying the soccer game. Second game got rained out, but we still had a busy afternoon, so still no yard sales. We were going to a friend of ours' little daughter's first birthday, but I received a call from someone at our church saying, "Can you come by? Our grandmother wants to sell off a lot of her antiques." I said no. Unfortunately, I'm a little too busy to do that. But I have a great friend who is excellent with antiques and lives in the same city as you. I called my friend up. He was quick to set up a time to go over there, checked all the stuff out, but also asked how my day was. So I told him about the blow molds. He was ecstatic. The party was fun. Once it wrapped up, my buddy called me back to update me on that little visit with a friend of mine from church. Made a few offers, but nothing really panned out. But he said, "What are you gonna do with all those blow molds?" I said, "I'm keeping a few, but I have some extras I'm willing to sell." He said, "Send me some pictures." So I sent him these pictures. He said, "Those will sell quick in my shop. What will you take for them?" I was only invested $26. He said he'd buy them $20 a piece. So $120. But since we're talking about blow molds and breaking timelines, I just got that one today. So it just so happened that I scrolled on Facebook Marketplace and saw an incredible deal on some cool collectibles. I sent her an offer. Also talking to my friend, he said he could meet up today to do that exchange. And she said, "Can you pay $125 for my collection? That's only putting me out $5. But let me show you the blow molds that we held on to before I hit the road. So the pieces that were not for sale were the 3 wise men, Mary, Joseph is in the box with baby Jesus, and the little manger. The camel, the cow, and the donkey were off limits. And if we were to sell all these, we are north of $500. And now going to sell some of these blow molds to a buddy for $120. So I can use that $120 to go pick up something else to make close to another $1,000 today. So thank you for being part of this day that started with no yard sales. Okay, so I am back home. Picked all that stuff up. Before they see it, what do you think?
It's very exciting. It's not something that you come across all the time.
No. And like I said, dropping this off with my buddy in this other place for this Facebook Marketplace deal was only 4 minutes away. That's what was really, really cool. I think it's time for them to see. All right, guess, like, just comment below if you think, because we've done some pretty big hauls.
Mm-hmm.
We did the Trolls.
Mm-hmm.
We did the Monster High.
Mm-hmm.
We did the Squishmallows.
Yep.
I think this one ranks right up there.
Yes, it does.
We got Strawberry Shortcake. Yeah, all of the Strawberry Shortcake. Can you believe it?
It's so cool.
So, this lady was just said moving sale, need to get rid of it. She was first taking offers, and I said $100. She goes, oh my gosh, my husband looked it all up. Looks to be worth a little bit more, so it actually came out to $125, but we sold those blow molds for $120, so we are $5 technically invested in this. This whole day started with no yard sales. I spent $20 on the blow molds to then sell some of those and pretty much swap it out for this. But yes, look at all this.
Look at that house.
It's like, I don't know the exact name, but I'll put
Very happy home.
Yes, I'll put a sold comp up, okay? The last one went for $500.
That's
okay?
crazy.
$500 for that house. How we will ship it? It is possible. It did have one issue on one of the windows, but don't worry. We have all of the furnitures of the house. She had the whole thing set up. I took all the stuff down and put it back in boxes with clothes, with accessories. But let's not forget all of the dolls. How many did we say we had in total the other day?
It was like
18?
Like 17 or something?
Yeah. All of those with all the side pets. I can't believe, like, she said it was passed down from her grandmother.
Yeah.
And her daughters played with it. So these
to
toys
still have like shoes and
stuff. Yeah, they were loved on, but like the railings aren't broken. The swing is still there. The furniture was still there. Like, has all of these other buildings and accessories. I will try to go through and show some sold comps. But why we were so excited is $500. We'll probably throw the furniture in with it. And then we found lots of the dolls.
Yeah.
Going for $300. Kevin, Commonwealth Picker, has been selling them because he's been completing them for like $20 and $25 a piece. So, I think this non-yard sale day, I'm telling you.
It was incredible what it turned out to be.
Thanks to people knowing what we do.
Absolutely.
A phone call, a text message, and then talking to other resellers that are like, what'd you get today?
Yeah.
We'll buy it from you. Like, they were so pumped. But including the other blow molds, remember, we still kept a lot of those. We can sell those, I think, for about $500. And if we get $1,000 for this here, babe, that's an unplanned go to the dump day that equals to $1,500.
It's crazy.
So, we got a lot of work to do.
Yes, we do.
Because as you see, they were played with, okay?
Do a little cleaning.
A little bit of cleaning. This thing needs to be
just
wiped down really good. But I think we're going to have fun just putting the pieces together.
Get to play a little bit.
Almost forgot. Like, the grandmother, she collected them.
Like, the little brochures that came with the things. Like,
so we know all the pieces and parts that go with each one. So like I said, it was very well kept for many, many years. And then it was passed down through the family. They didn't have a need for it anymore. So we are able to get this, put it all together. Let us know down in the comments, have you seen a collection this big before? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. But hey, thanks for tuning in. You never know what kind of video you're going to get on the channel. Like I said, this was not planned at all. Didn't have a camera, didn't want to really focus on that. We had enough stuff to do after the massive storage unit.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we're still processing that.
But let people know what you do. Look how this turned out. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And what other channel can they always check out?
The ATL Flippers.
Yeah, that's right. Derek and Jasmine. Be sure to check those guys out. And we'll see you on the next video.